To find property nodes linked to an object or terminal, first we need a VI, then let's place some objects on the front panel. And now let's create some property nodes. And then to find the property node, let's right click the object, go to find, and then go to property nodes. For this to appear, you must have several property nodes. The search results dialog box appears. Select the VI name and then click the property node that we want to search for. You can do the same from the block diagram as well. And LabVIEW selects the property node and highlights it. So this is how we can use the search facility for finding the property node with an associated object on the front panel. Thanks for watching.